Hi everyone, welcome back to Reeta Soul Food. Today we're making a delicious recipe of vegetable Hakka noodles, so make sure to watch to the end to see step by step. For more recipes, don't forget to subscribe, let all your friends and family know, and hit the bell notification so you can be alerted of more recipes. Pass me a comment and let me know how you enjoyed the recipe. So let's get started. All you'll need for this delicious recipe is 4 carrots, 3 onions, 2 bell peppers, half a cabbage, 2 spring onion greens, 1 chilli depending on how hot you like it, and I've just got here 1 garlic clove, but you can add more if you'd like. So put the noodles on boil, and that can be cooking away while we prepare our vegetables for cooking. Teaspoon of sugar, pinch of salt, So after sauteing the garlic, chilies and the onion, we can go in and add the vegetables after about 10 minutes of cooking the onions down. A little bit more salt as per taste, just to sweat the vegetables down. Covering the lid for 10 minutes to help it cook down and steam away. Teaspoon of crushed garlic. So let this cook down for a good 20 minutes or until you can see that the vegetables are really cooked and wilting slightly. So we're ready to go in and add the noodles that we were boiling earlier, so just drain those and add them in and then give it a good mix. Splash of chili sauce as per taste, soy sauce as per taste, and sweet chili sauce as per taste. A bit more soy sauce, but dark soy sauce this time, and give that good mix. Again, I'm just adding a bit of salt and pepper towards the end just to refine the flavour. You can add this or you can leave it out, it's completely optional. You can try the noodles at this stage, and if you want more sauces then just add those in, just as I've done here. I'm just adding the spring onion and greens here for garnish. A Thank you so much for watching. Be sure to check out all my other recipes on Reeta's Soul Food and share with your friends and family. Until the next time, see you soon.